Next question, 11th problem. He has given ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. Isosceles triangle means opposite two sides are equal. And also he has given in a question AD is perpendicular to BC, means D is equals to 90 degree. And one more, E is a point of a side produced BC of a triangle ABC. You produce BC, you will get the point E. And also he has given EF is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, it means angle F equals to also 90 degree. And lastly, what we have to prove is triangle ABD, this dotted triangle. This dotted triangle is similar to this EFC. Both triangles are similar. In triangle ABD and triangle EFC, we have, he has given in a question AB equals to AC. If two opposite sides are equal, then their base angles also equal. In 9th standard we studied, right? If opposite two sides are equal, then their base angles also equal. Okay, this one we got by the isosceles triangle. We can write, we can take the use of isosceles triangle property. Angle B equals to angle C. This angle B is there in this triangle ABD and this C is there in EFC. One statement. Reason, isosceles triangle. Okay. And next one more. He has given this AD is perpendicular to BC, means D equals to 90 degree. And one more, EF is perpendicular to AC, means F is also 90. Therefore, F equals to, angle D equals to angle F also we can write. Reason, 90 degree each. Okay. Both are there in the corresponding triangles only. Okay. And therefore, by AA criteria, this also angle and this also angle. Both are then the same two triangles. This is angle B is there in this ABD. And this C is there in EFC. This one we got by the triangle isosceles triangle property. Okay. And this one he has given hint like perpendicular. Perpendicular means D equals to 90 degree and F equals to 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. By AA criteria, we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle EFC by AA criteria. Hello, this is the next question of your exercise 6.3. It's a 12th question. In 12th question, in triangle ABC and PQR has given AB, BC and AD, and in triangle PQR, PQ, QR and PM are proportional sides. Okay, he has given both in triangle ABC and PQR, AB and BC, AD, PQ, QR and PM are proportional. How to write this one? AB divided by PQ equals to BC divided by QR is equals to AD divided by PM. This AD is a median and this one PM is also median. Median means this point D divides the BC into two equal parts. This M also, okay, is like a midpoint. And this is there in the question. Sides are proportional. And what we have to prove? We have to prove ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is there in the question. What we have to prove? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. But he has given again one more. AD is a median and PM also is a medium. How to take the use of this medium to prove ABC is similar to PQR? I will take with the help of D and M. We can write in this one. BD equals to half of BC. in this triangle, if this D is a midpoint, then we can write this BD is half of a BC, and this triangle, this QM is a half of a QR. We can write, why this M is a midpoint of QR means we can write QM is a half of QR also, and BD is a half of BC. Here QM is half of QR. Next, cross multiply this 2BD equals to BC, and this one becomes 2QM equals to QR. 2 times of BD means BC. BD, this CD also, it becomes BC only. Sorry, BD only. Why? This D is a midpoint of BC. We can write BC as 2 times of BD, and here this QR as 2 times of QM also. Correct? And now I will replace the values of BC and QR in this one. I will rewrite this one. AB divided by PQ equals to BC. I will replace this BC by 2BD. Correct? And divided by QR as 2QM equals to same AD divided by PM. Here I will cancel 2. What remains? BD divided by QM. We got the in triangle ABD and PQR, their corresponding sides are equal. The ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, we can write easily triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by triple S postulate. Their ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. Okay, by the medium, then this one he has given. This star mark he has given in statement. Their corresponding sides are in the same proportional. Means we can write this one. This one we got by the midpoint of D. BD equals to half BC and QM equals to half QR, and cross multiplication 2BD equals to BC, and here 2QM equals to QR. Clear? And just we have to replace BC equals to BD and QR equals to QR by 2QM. 2 cancels, and what I got in the place of BC by QR, BD by QM. Therefore, both the triangles are similar. Here I got their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means ABD is similar to PQM. Now, what is our aim? We have to prove ABC is similar to PQR. He has given in statement AB in triangle ABC, angle A equals to angle B, angle P, and angle what? Angle Q equals to angle B equals to angle Q. This is also angle and this is also angle. By in triangle PABC is similar to triangle PQR by A criteria. Both the triangles are similar. This angle P, angle A equals to angle P, okay, and angle B equals to angle Q. By A criteria, both the triangles are similar. First, we need to prove these two triangles are similar. Then their corresponding sides are in the same equal ratio. We will get. After showing this one, we can easily show ABC is similar to PQR.